Okay, everybody, I'm here to show you a version of Windows 8 that is being released very soon, I guess within October, September this year, something like that. This is a beta version, and as you can see, it starts off different. There's no more Windows flag. I don't know if they're going to incorporate that in this version or not. You can see it's booting up to my screen, which has 4 different operating systems in this particular test machine, and we're going to pick Windows 8, and you're going to see the brand new UI, which is absolutely beautiful. It actually reminds me of Android 4 and Windows Mango, like they spliced it together and made it work. You can see this is a brand new startup screen. Shows the time, date, shows that I'm connected down here on the internet. Now to get into the interface for Windows, I hit enter, and now I just put in my password and enter again. Sorry about the quality of the video. This is my phone that I'm shooting this with because my camera is somewhere to be found. I cannot find the damn thing. But anyway, you can see the brand new interface. It's pretty sweet. They even have a store now, a Windows store. If we click on that little tile, it'll take us, a nice little animation popping out. It'll take us to a Windows store where you can download free apps, paid apps, games, books, movies. You can see I'm scrolling across the screen. This is showing some of the things that are in there right now. We can click on any of this stuff. If I was working with a touch screen, I could actually use my hand and go across the screen, touch things, but that's not what this monitor is. Let's see, cookbook. Okay, if you wanted a cookbook, you could download it and install it for free. Right there, free. The rating, all that kind of stuff. Let's go back. Let's see what else we have here. Let's see if we hit top free. Okay, a list of all the free apps comes up, and then I guess you can go on here. This seems to be news, top free news and weather. You can go all around this store and see whatever you like. I guess they even have a top free all apps. Just a bunch of apps here that you can pan across, and photos and games and whatnot. Alright, let's get out of here. That's the Microsoft Store. Okay, now if you notice, I'm going to put my mouse on the left-hand corner bottom. Instead of the little round button that usually pops up, we have a rectangular button that says Start. I'm going to click on that, and it brings us back up to the tiles. Here is where everyone's going to start and pick up what they want to do, email, whatever. If you want to look at photos, you can click on that tile, and your little album should come up. All your free stuff, downloaded stuff. You can go back here. You can hit into videos and see whatever videos that you've downloaded and all that kind of stuff. And I believe there's movies here that you can also buy. Yeah, okay, they have a spotlight on video, and you can also go in here. This, I believe, is my collection of videos. And Movie Marketplace. Let's see what the Movie Marketplace is. Show more. There we go. Featured movies. These are all downloadable. Let's see this first one. Okay, they show a preview. Play the trailer. You can play it on Xbox, buy it, rent it, play it on this machine, whatever. You can go through all those movies. And then, of course, you can go into your own collection. I believe they have TV shows as well. Yeah, TV Marketplace. So if you want to download TV shows, and then if I wanted to look at whatever videos that I had in the machine, I can click on here, and it'll bring up a video. Okay, that was on a sling box. And you can see it's still playing down here. I was doing a demo on a sling box in the car. That's where you play your television from anywhere you want in the world. Okay, let's get out of here. Back to the Start menu. We can go to the desktop. easily by clicking on desktop. So if you had a whole bunch of different icons on your desktop like most people do, you can click on those icons, start whatever you need to start, Word, Excel, whatever apps that you use. And of course, to get back out of here, we go back down to the start button. We have weather, which is kind of nice. Little app similar to the ones on the smartphones. It shows, I believe, a week of weather in your area. There we go. Corpus Christi, mostly cloudy, and it's 79. It is a little warm outside. And of course, they have the time of day. I guess you can click on this stuff and go through the different days. I haven't really messed with it all that much. Mail. It's got both of my mails, my Gmail, my Hotmail, all in one spot. And you'll be able to, I guess, go through all your different mail in one area, which is kind of nice. You can get the Internet Explorer very quickly right here. Brings you back to the desktop, and then it'll pop up your browser. And this is just taking a little long to load. My internet's a little slow today. Don't know why, but it is. There we go. So we can go through the browser, go back to most functions here. Let's see, we have a thing on finance. If you're interested in the Dow, seeing what's going on, who's blowing on money, our good old hard-earned tax dollars, you can check that out here. And I believe you'll be able to put your own tiles out here if you're following stocks, or if you have some stocks or whatever, you'll be able to customize most of this stuff. That's what I would think. Let me see, what else do we have? Oh, we have a social hub, people. And this brings up Facebook. It also brings up Twitter, all that kind of stuff. If I scroll through here, you can see it's bringing up a lot of my Facebook people's status, I guess. You'll be able to watch videos if they put a video on here or something. You know, of course, look at pictures. Hey, here's Milli Vanilli. We all want to watch a Milli Vanilli video. Oops. It's saying that it's restricted. Watch it on YouTube. Okay, whatever. Let's get out of here. And you can, of course, see pictures and whatnot. Food. Yummy food. Now, if I click on me, it shows my timeline and some people that have posted stuff. Pictures, whatever. I can get to my albums from here. And most recent posts. Right there. Okay, so you can keep going through deep into the stuff and keep bringing stuff up. It's kind of cool. Okay, this is all, I guess this is a bunch of people that have recently updated something or other. That's my mom. So let's get out of here and see what else we have. Okay, it's got for the camera, if you're using a video cam, it's got settings and all that if you want to do that. Windows Explorer just takes you to the desktop, and where you can find pictures, videos, documents, whatever. If you want to get to your apps, that's pretty easy to do as well. Let's say I go back here to the start menu. Okay, if I right click anywhere on the screen, this little bar comes up on the bottom, all apps. That pops up. It's the same ones that are on the front end. Photos, pinball, remote desktop, SkyDrive, all those tiles that were on the startup screen. But it also shows me whatever apps I have in this computer, which isn't very many since it's a test machine. But I can go through here as well and pick whatever app I want to use. So that's kind of nice. Back to the start menu. Let's see here. We have music, which is pretty nice. You can buy music from this area, or you can listen to music that you've already downloaded. Say, for instance, oops, let me click back in there. You wanted a Carrie Underwood song or something. I guess you can click on Carrie Underwood and her page will pop up. Here you go, view her albums. And it pops up a whole bunch of artwork of her albums that you can scroll through. So we pick one if we wanted to listen to it or buy it. There you go, buy the album, play a preview, hit play. It'll pop this up. And I guess it'll start her song. There we go. I'm going to turn that off. It's a little loud. But that's kind of nice. It plays the artwork in the background and all that kind of stuff. Probably your different album covers and everything. And if we go back to music, let's go back this way with the little arrow here. And I believe this also has, if I have collections in here, let's see, let's scroll. Yeah, see, if I wanted to listen to Methods of Mayhem, Tommy Lee. Okay, so you can listen to your music, downloaded music, Google Music, whatever, through here as well. And it'll play slideshow, whatever. And I'm sure it'll play while you go back into the main screen. It'll play in the background if you want. So that's kind of nice, little music app, and you'll be able to sign in and buy your own stuff if you want somebody's stuff. But they have the SkyDrive too. It's here, same as Dropbox. Remote desktop. All these tiles, I'm sure we'll be able to customize some of them. Maybe this little side over here or something. I don't know. They're going to want to keep most of this stuff where it's pretty accessible. But if you hover your mouse over here, there's a little square button down here on the corner, on the right-hand corner, and it brings up the little icons fade in. And that's all your settings, devices, your start window. If you weren't on that window, search. If you want to search anything on this machine, you can do it from here. You go back down here onto that little thing. It pops up. Settings. I can go into settings, apps, whatever. It shows them my network. The power button if I wanted to shut down or restart, whatever. More PC settings here. It'll bring this menu up where I can actually go into this and change a bunch of general stuff or whatever, my sign-on screens, my home group, whatever I want to change into this. Okay, you can do it easily there. But I just want to really show you this very quickly. I don't have much time. And this is Windows 8. It should be out, like I said, this year around September, October. And I think it's absolutely gorgeous, beautiful, beautiful UI. I'm very happy with it. I can't wait for the real version. This is just a beta, so it's going to have little problems here and there. But it's nice that Windows and Microsoft is sharing this with us. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you want, you can download this. Just search Microsoft Windows 8 Beta and download it and have some fun. See you later.